Ea s-a dusă pe stradă. Ia uite ce.
Mai s-a dusă și în canalul pe ăla altul.
Da, uite,
In questo momento al mare, vicino Francostella.
Another night of bad weather and heavy rain in Calabria. The region is currently experiencing flooding and landslides, causing problems, especially for traffic. State Highway 106, Jonica was closed in both directions due to flooding between Corigliano and Rossano in the La Masia term area. There were some traffic disruptions. For example, in the municipality of Falerna, a landslide temporarily blocked the provincial road connecting the village to the coastal hamlet. Local police and the municipal civil protection team were busy throughout the night. The emergency related to the risk of the Cotola River overflowing has been resolved, but Calabria Verde staff and equipment have been working in its place. An orange warning is also in effect today for the entire Ionian coast and the Tyrrhenian coast in Reggio Calabria, with schools closed in most affected municipalities. A yellow warning is in effect for central Calabria in the Tyrrhenian region. Heavy rainfall has been recorded over the past 24 hours, particularly in the inland areas of the region from north to south. In San Sos and Alico, on the Ionian side of the Serre Calabria mountain range, 230 millimeters of rainfall were recorded. In Mongiana, a municipality in the province of Vibo Valentia, on the slopes of Mount Picararo, 194 millimeters of rainfall fell during the same period. More than 100 millimeters of rainfall were recorded in many towns in the Reggio Calabria and Vibo Valentia regions, as well as in other provinces. The Civil Protection Department continues to monitor the situation, paying particular attention to waterways and drainage systems. Due to the bad weather, the following road sections were closed due to landslides and flooding. SS 106 Jonica from KM 327.300 to KM 329.300. In both directions, in Corigliano Rossano, province of Cosenza, due to flooding. SS 182 Del Serre Calabria at KM 38.00 in both directions in Jericarn, province of Vibo Valentia, due to landslides. And SA 572 Di Monte Cucco e Monte Picararo at KM 5000 in Mesaraka, and from KM 21,000 to KM 22,000 in San Nicola de Crissa, province of Vibo Valentia. Traffic diversions are being installed at the locations. ANIS teams and law enforcement officers are on site to regulate traffic and restore normal traffic flow as quickly as possible.
È impressionante questa Jonica, eh? Mamma mia.
A new cyclone remains in the Strait of Sicily, bringing severe weather, especially to Calabria. Strong storm surges, strong winds, and rain are reported across much of southern Italy, while the weather in the north is clear, although worsening in the central regions. This is the latest weather situation from expert Lorenzo Tedici. Given the situation, the Civil Protection Department has issued an orange alert for 3 regions: Calabria, Sicily, following the events in the past few hours. The orange alert and severe weather conditions continue, especially for Sicily. The wave of severe weather triggered by Cyclone Jolinda has brought heavy rain, strong winds, and instability to much of southern Italy.
Intrași în casă, mai e.
Care casă?
Asta.
Păi de...
The Civil Protection Department's warning emphasized that scattered to widespread rainfall, including light rain or thunderstorms, will continue, especially in the eastern regions. Furthermore, these events will be accompanied by heavy rain, strong gusts of wind, localized hail, and lightning activity. Therefore, starting early on March 17th and for the next 24 to 36 hours, strong winds or thunderstorms are expected from the east, especially in the Ionian region. The severe weather has caused extensive damage, especially in the southern regions. A landslide approximately 15 meters wide struck the Via San Marco road in Mesaraka, in the province of Crotone, after heavy and continuous rain. 15 families living in 3 buildings in the Santa Lucia district were evacuated. After a joint technical inspection, the mayor of Mesaraka, Annibal Parais, issued an order requiring the immediate evacuation of buildings located upstream from the landslide site. The area was also cordoned off. Via San Marco was closed to pedestrian and vehicle traffic, and evacuees were required to turn off their household appliances before leaving the area in Sicily.
Toscano Joele. Qui vediamo un'auto riversa sulla 106, veramente difficile. Queste immagini veramente sono difficili da restituire, direttore. Sono immagini forti.
80 passengers traveling from Milazzo to Lipari disembarked from 3 fast boats at the port of Ranella on the island of Salina. About 10 others chose to return to Milazzo. Despite their best efforts, docking at the Soto Monastero pier in Lipari was hampered by Sirocco winds. The alternative port of Punta Scalidi, which was supposed to allow operations, has been repaired but has been closed for more than 9 months due to structural damage. The fate of about 20 passengers, including several commuters who departed from Ranella to return to Lipari, was no better. With the fast ferry unable to operate, they were transported to Milazzo,